A week ago, a 62-year-old patient told me something that caught my attention. He said, I started taking 1 tablespoon of olive oil before bed, and I didn't expect what happened next. Within a few days, his mornings felt different. His digestion improved, his sleep was deeper, and even his doctor noticed small changes in his blood work. It sounded simple, almost too simple, but it raised an important question. What's really happening inside the body when you drink olive oil at night? Is it a smart, science-backed routine or just another online myth? Tonight, we'll look at what research actually says. We'll explore the 10 real benefits, the potential downsides, and how to do it safely, without turning this healthy habit into a mistake. Because olive oil isn't just a cooking ingredient. It's been part of human health for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations called it liquid gold, a source of clean energy, nourishment, and longevity. Modern science agrees that extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, compounds like polyphenols and oleocanthal that help calm inflammation and protect your cells from daily stress. So, what happens if you take it before bed, when your body naturally enters its nightly repair cycle? Many people believe that this timing helps olive oil do its best work, supporting digestion, balancing metabolism, and even promoting smoother sleep and recovery. But others say it's just another health fad. The truth, as always, lies in the middle. It depends on how, when, and how much you use. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. It's not medical advice, and it shouldn't replace your doctor's guidance, especially if you have medical conditions or take daily medication. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare provider before starting new habits. And if you'd like a free nightly olive oil routine checklist, a simple one-page guide that shows how to do this safely, just comment the word checklist below. You'll find the download link in the pinned comment. All right. Let's begin with the first benefit, and it's one that matters deeply to men over 50, because the first organ that quietly benefits from olive oil is your prostate. Benefit number 1, supports prostate health. Let's start with one of the most important and often overlooked benefits, prostate health. For men over 50, maintaining a healthy prostate is key to comfort, sleep, and confidence. And olive oil may quietly help in this area. Studies from the University of California, San Francisco, found that men who consumed more plant-based fats, especially from olive oil and nuts, had a lower risk of prostate disease progression. Why? Because olive oil is rich in polyphenols and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect prostate cells from oxidative stress and chronic irritation. Another small clinical trial using lycopene-enriched extra virgin olive oil showed measurable improvements in antioxidant capacity and prostate balance among older men. When you drink a tablespoon before bed, you give your body these natural compounds right before it begins its nightly repair cycle. That timing may help support the prostate's natural function and comfort through the night. Of course, this isn't a treatment, but as part of a balanced lifestyle, olive oil can be one more quiet ally for long-term prostate health. And what helps your prostate often helps the rest of your body, especially when it comes to inflammation. Let's talk about that next. Benefit number 2, reduces chronic inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural defense, but when it never turns off, it becomes the silent cause of countless health problems. Heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, even premature aging, all are linked to chronic inflammation. Here's where olive oil steps in. It contains a compound called oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory molecule that scientists say acts a bit like ibuprofen, but from food, not a pill. When you drink a spoonful before bed, those antioxidants go to work during your body's quiet hours of recovery. They help calm the overactive immune signals that can irritate tissues and joints. Over time, this gentle daily habit can help your body maintain balance, less internal fire, more steady function. Think of it as giving your cells a chance to breathe again. You're not fighting your body, you're supporting it. And the best part? What's good for inflammation also happens to protect your heart and circulation, which brings us to benefit number 3. Benefit number 3 promotes heart and artery health. Your heart works every second of every day, even while you sleep. So giving it the right kind of support at night can make a difference over time. Olive oil is one of the cornerstones of the Mediterranean diet, a way of eating proven to promote heart health and longer life. It's rich in oleic acid, a healthy monounsaturated fat that helps your blood vessels stay flexible and smooth. That means better circulation, less strain, and more oxygen reaching your cells. Large studies, like the famous pre-dimed trial, found that people who used olive oil daily had fewer heart problems and a lower risk of stroke compared to those who ate low-fat diets. When you take a tablespoon before bed, especially instead of butter or heavy animal fats, you're giving your heart clean fuel for the night shift. It's a small act with long-term rewards, steady blood flow, calmer arteries, and a heart that doesn't have to work as hard while you rest. And one more thing olive oil does during the night, it helps your body fine-tune cholesterol and blood pressure. Benefit number 4, improves cholesterol and blood pressure. One of olive oil's best-known gifts is how it supports healthy cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Your body needs cholesterol, but not all cholesterol is the same. LDL, the bad kind, can build up in arteries and cause trouble. HDL, the good kind, helps remove that buildup. Olive oil naturally helps balance the two. Its healthy fats and antioxidants reduce LDL oxidation, that sticky process that starts artery plaque, while supporting HDL, which keeps your blood vessels clean. It also contains oleuropein, a compound that may help your arteries relax, leading to better blood flow and gentle blood pressure regulation over time. Taking it before bed allows your body to use those nutrients while your system resets overnight. It's a quiet, restorative process, not an instant fix, but a steady one. If you're already eating healthy and staying active, adding this small nightly habit can help maintain smoother circulation and balance numbers. And the benefits don't stop at your blood. Olive oil also plays a role in balancing blood sugar, which is especially important as we age. Benefit number 5, helps balance blood sugar. As we age, our body's ability to handle sugar can change. Meals that once felt fine might now leave you tired, bloated, or craving more sweets. Olive oil can quietly help balance that. Its healthy fats slow down how quickly food leaves your stomach, which means your blood sugar rises more gently after meals, and your insulin levels stay more stable. Several studies link olive oil intake with better insulin sensitivity, a key factor in preventing large blood sugar swings. Taking a spoonful before bed, especially after a light, healthy dinner, may support smoother nighttime metabolism and more even energy the next morning. It's not a magic fix, but it's a smart tool, one that works best alongside a balanced diet, regular movement, and good sleep. When your blood sugar stays steady, your hormones, mood, and appetite do too, which can make it easier to manage weight, the focus of our next benefit. Benefit number 6, aids weight management. Here's a fact that surprises many people. Olive oil is high in calories, yet it can actually support healthy weight management. 1 tablespoon has about 120 calories, but those calories come from clean, nourishing fats that help you feel satisfied and reduce cravings for junk food. When you replace butter, margarine, or fried oils with olive oil, you're not adding more fat. You're swapping bad fats for good ones. These healthy fats help your body absorb key nutrients, keep your energy steady, and prevent the late-night hunger that often leads to overeating. When you take it before bed, you may feel fuller and calmer, helping your body rest instead of reaching for snacks. It's not about restriction, it's about smarter choices. Olive oil supports balance, not deprivation. And when your weight is in check, your bones, joints, and overall mobility benefit too, which brings us to the next advantage of this golden oil. Benefit number 7, supports bone and joint health. Your bones and joints carry you through life, but with age, they need a little extra care. Olive oil can be part of that support system. It's rich in polyphenols and oleocanthal, natural compounds that help calm inflammation in joints and protect bone cells from oxidative stress. Research has shown that people who consume olive oil regularly often have higher bone density and fewer joint-related complaints, especially compared to those who rely on processed fats or fried oils. At night, your body enters its repair mode. This is when bone and connective tissue renewal happens. So giving your body clean, anti-inflammatory fuel before bed may help those restorative processes work more efficiently. You might not feel the difference overnight, but over months, many people notice easier movement, less stiffness, and more comfort when waking up. And while your joints repair, your brain rests too. And that's exactly where olive oil offers another quiet benefit. Benefit number 8, protects brain function and longevity. Your brain never truly sleeps. Even at night, it's working hard to clean, repair, and organize information. That's where olive oil can quietly make a difference. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative stress, one of the key drivers behind memory decline and cognitive aging. Several long-term studies have found that people who use olive oil regularly tend to perform better on memory and focus tests and may have a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline. Drinking a spoonful before bed won't make you smarter overnight, but it gives your body the nutrients it needs for nighttime brain maintenance. Think of it as fuel for your brain's cleanup crew, helping remove waste and protect the cells that handle memory and focus. Over time, that consistency adds up, supporting clearer thinking, steadier mood, and longer vitality. And as your brain rests and repairs, your digestive system is also preparing for the next morning, which brings us to benefit number 9. Benefit number 9, supports digestion and regularity. Let's talk about something everyone cares about: comfortable digestion. Olive oil can be a gentle ally for your stomach and intestines. Its natural fats help lubricate the digestive tract, making it easier for food and waste to move smoothly. It may also stimulate the liver and gallbladder to release bile, which helps break down fats efficiently. If you sometimes struggle with mild constipation, a teaspoon or tablespoon of olive oil before bed can help your system work more comfortably by morning. It's not a laxative, but rather a natural way to support balance and rhythm in your gut. Just start small, about 1 teaspoon, and see how your body responds before increasing the amount. Many people notice lighter digestion, less bloating, and a smoother start to their mornings. And once your digestion feels better, you'll likely notice another change too. Benefit number 10, nourishes skin, hair, and overall recovery. When the day ends, your body begins its most important job: recovery. And olive oil provides the building blocks for that process. It's rich in vitamin E, polyphenols, and other antioxidants that protect your skin and cells from daily damage. These nutrients help your body repair itself while you sleep, the time when renewal naturally happens. Regular olive oil use has been linked to softer, more hydrated skin, stronger hair, and a smoother, brighter complexion. That's because the same fats that support your heart also keep your cells supple and resilient. When you take a spoonful before bed, you're not feeding your hunger. You're feeding your recovery. It's a small nightly ritual that helps your body restore balance from the inside out. You might not see the difference in a week, but give it time, and your reflection may quietly thank you. Now that we've covered the 10 main benefits, let's see how to do it safely. The right timing, amount, and method to make this habit work for you. If you'd like to try this habit yourself, here's how to do it safely and make it part of a calm, nightly routine. First, choose quality. Look for extra virgin olive oil, labeled cold-pressed and stored in a dark glass bottle. This means it's less processed and full of natural antioxidants. Next, start small. Begin with 1 teaspoon, about 5 milliliters. If your body tolerates it well after a few days, increase to 1 tablespoon, 10 to 15 milliliters. Timing matters. Take it about 15 to 30 minutes before bed, either on an empty stomach or after a light evening snack. How to take it? You can drink it directly or mix it with a few drops of lemon juice or warm water. Some people even add half a teaspoon of honey for a smoother taste. Listen to your body. If you feel bloated or experience reflux, reduce the amount or try earlier in the evening. Consistency and moderation make this habit work, not quantity. Even something as natural as olive oil needs balance. Each tablespoon contains around 120 calories, so if you add it to your routine, try adjusting your overall diet to keep your calories steady. Avoid taking multiple shots. More isn't better. 1 tablespoon a day is plenty for most people. Some may feel mild bloating or heartburn at first, especially if taken on a completely empty stomach. Start small and listen to your body. If you're taking blood pressure or diabetes medication, check with your doctor before making olive oil a daily supplement. It can gently influence blood sugar and circulation. And remember, olive oil supports health, but it can't replace balanced meals, vegetables, movement, or rest. Used wisely, this simple habit becomes a quiet ally for long-term wellness, not a quick fix. So, what really happens if you drink olive oil every night before bed? You give your body clean fuel to rest, repair, and recover. Your digestion may feel smoother, your mornings a little lighter, and your energy more steady. It's not a miracle. It's a mindful habit, simple, natural, and rooted in centuries of wisdom. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need it. And for your free nightly olive oil checklist, comment the word checklist below. You'll find the link waiting in the pinned comment. Sleep well, stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next one.